So here's how we make the pizza dough. In a bowl, as you can see here, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add 2 packs of instant dry active yeast. If you use regular active dry yeast, not the instant stuff, then you will have to warm up the beer to about 110, give or take. Then we want to add a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you want to add 16 ounces or 1 tall boy of beer. Can be pretty much any beer you like. I just go with Budweiser because that's what I like. Okie dokie. Then we just want to get our paddle attachment and turn it on and let this mix around, knead around for 8 to 10 minutes. Then I took the dough out, formed it into a ball, got about a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon worth of olive oil, covered it. Then I covered the bowl with a towel, put it in a depowered oven that's turned off, and let that proof for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then I divided it into 5-ounce balls, covered them on a baking sheet, and let them proof again for about 45 minutes. Now, if you want this dough to develop flavor further, seal the, put it in either a Tupperware thing and seal that, or cover this in clear film and leave that down in the fridge for 24 to 72 hours. All right, that's pretty much the dough recipe. Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have a cheesy garlic pizza. First thing we got to make is the garlic cream sauce. This starts off with 1 cup of heavy cream in a pot over medium heat, a good amount of black pepper, do that to taste. Okay, and then you want to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give this a stir around. Then you want to bring this up to the boil, and then lower the heat to low, and then simmer for approximately 10 minutes. Then you want to kind of make a paste by mixing 2 teaspoons of flour together with 2 teaspoons of butter together. There's our little paste mix. This is after the 10-minute simmering time. Then you want to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. And then you just want to whisk this all around till everything is combined and cook for another minute or 2. And that is our garlic cream sauce. All right, let's make a pizza. Okay, we have a 9-inch crust in a 9-inch pan. Preheat your oven to 550 degrees or as high as your oven will allow itself to go. If you have a pizza stone, good chance to use that. And now we're going to be adding some of our garlic, creamy garlic sauce that we just made. Now, the amount of sauce that you put on is entirely up to you, but I like sauce, so I usually add probably more than most folk. And then just some mozzarella cheese. And that's really it. And you want to pop this into your 550-degree oven on the bottom rack. Get that rack as close to the bottom heat source as you possibly can. And you want to bake this for about 5 to 6 minutes. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our pizza is done. That's what you're looking at. And obviously, as you can tell, it's good because I didn't even wait before diving in. All right, that's cheesy garlic pizza. Done.